Right, there we go. I've just sown my seed compost. I've got my seeds out. Here they are. You can see those there. So that's just, there we go. There's the little seeds. Really nice. I've spread them about. So there's 7, but it looks like it's more than 7. Hopefully it is. Don't be worried about these because they tend to be quite sporadic when you sow them. Some will germinate within a couple of weeks and some will take several weeks. So yeah, there we go. Mixed angel pelargoniums seeds. So between April, there we go. So between April and September under glass at 15 to 18 Celsius on well-watered seed compost. Cover lightly. Germination is sporadic. Prick out individuals once large enough and pot on into general purpose compost. Feed with a high liquid potash feed. Protect from the frost. So that's it. It says here April, but unfortunately I have a heated greenhouse, so I can do them earlier. Put them in the propagator under lights. So yeah. I've got a peat-based compost. It has a little bit of feed in it, which is not perfect for seeds, but they seem to germinate pretty well in it. I'll give them a water now, just to dampen it off a little bit. And then what you want to do is take some compost, just gently on it, the lightest of covers over it. Like so, and then get a name tag. Get a name tag in like so. You want to date when you the date that you sowed them, and then over to the left, straight into my tray, like so. Straight around there. Leave in there for an hour until it's totally saturated and take out. I shall then put them in my, I'll show you here, my little heated propagator, which I shall adjust the temperature to 18, perfect for them. As you can see there, I've had a problem with fungus gnats, but this yellow sticky paper does the job. Leave them in there and I shall keep you posted to how they get on. So yeah, thank you Fibex Nurseries, really excited to be growing these. As you can see there, some in the background that I got from them last year. So yeah, if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, folks, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Remember, everybody keep safe and look after yourselves. Thank you for watching. Bye.